Hello guys, in this video we are going to look into the area of a trapezium, and the area of a trapezium is known with the formula half bracket A plus B times a height. And in this case, this is our height, as you can see, and also this is our A, this is our B. So it makes it easier to substitute 12 centimeter plus 6 centimeter, of course, centimeter here times a height which is 8 centimeter. That is the case. A half bracket, we always use board mass. We solve things in the bracket first. So 12 plus 6, you get nothing but 18 centimeter times 8 centimeter. We divide 18, we get 9 centimeter. So 9 centimeter times 8 centimeter, we get nothing but 45 square centimeters. That's the answer. I want you to find the area of this shape. 10 centimeter, here we are having 5 centimeter. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.